Earlier video I talked about what is design thinking and how it relates into innovation practices at the workplace and how to create an innovation driven culture. So I'm going to talk about there are many models of design thinking, but I'm going to share with you the Harvard Business School 4-step design thinking framework. So you start with phase 1, and you can get the details from the post here in Harvard Business School online blog. First is talk about step 1 is clarifying and understanding the problem, and you need to have an audience with the user, the stakeholder, discussing with them, engaging them, listening, adopt active listening, and this is very important. You have to have empathy. As I said, to engage them you have to have empathy, and then you need to have ideation and develop possible solution. This is where you need to have the thinking. Here is the heart. This is the head. How do you then come back to your organization? Work with your team to find out solution, ideation, develop possible solution. This is experimentation. And then you develop the prototype, and this is where you need to come up with your business plan, put it forward to your organization. What are the potential, the success and the failure? Because here at the prototype, you need to refine it. As you get back, as you tested it, as part of the new product development process, you may fail. You may find that, hey, this doesn't work in the market that we intended. Go to the user, get their feedback, engaging them again. So again, that is the hand. Remember the earlier video talked about the heart, the hand, the heart, the head, and the hand. So this is the hand. You need to go back and talk to the user, work with them, refine it, and of course, then when you have a solution that is viable, you need to implement the solution, anticipate the problem, continue to engage the end user to make sure that it's a closed, continuous system where you need to refine ongoing process to ensure that the solution remains relevant for the end user. So the design thinking is important. Harvard has published a series of case study where you can find it. Again, I've given you the link there, the Harvard Business School online, and you have example of very successful how GE Healthcare uses this to design the solution. Airbnb, Uber Eats, Netflix, Oral-B. These are some of the companies, and I encourage you to go in and explore, read some of the cases, how they are able to use the simple 4-step model to implement, and you can do that as well. You can read, understand, and start small, implement it within your organization, but you need to create this customer centricity mindset. You need to empower your people. You need to have this what we call the empathy as a skill that you need to encourage people to develop. It's important. Without empathy, it will not work. So you need to have that empathy, how they can work with the end user. So with that note, I encourage you to review this, and we can have a dialogue later. In the next video, I will talk about the importance of design thinking and what makes Apple so successful today. Thank you.